Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. To increase passive income using Adobe, start by identifying your skills and interests. Research the various passive income opportunities available within the Adobe ecosystem. Focus on creating digital products like templates, presets, or stock images. Begin by brainstorming ideas that cater to specific niches, like wedding invitations or video transitions. Once you have a list of ideas, evaluate market demand through platforms like Etsy, Adobe Stock, or Creative Market. Choose the most promising ideas and outline your creation process. For graphics or templates, gather in. When creating your digital products, ensure they are high quality and user-friendly. Utilize Adobe's tools effectively to bring your vision to life. Additionally, consider creating educational content that teaches others how to use Adobe software. You can produce video tutorials or PDF guides that offer value to potential learners. Upload your educational content to platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, where you can earn money through enrollments. It's important to optimize your product listings or course descriptions with relevant keywords for better visibility. Utilize social media to promote your digital products by showcasing them in action. Engage with your audience and gather feedback to refine your offerings. Consider implementing a subscription model for your products if applicable, providing ongoing value to customers. Continuously update your portfolio with new offerings to attract repeat customers. As you grow your passive income streams, monitor your progress and adjust strategies as necessary. Analyze customer feedback to improve your products and attract more sales. Finally, remember that building passive income takes time and persistence, so stay committed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.